giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me.
So keep watching, hit the subscribe button if you haven't, smash the thumbs up button if you're enjoying the channel so far, and this could be you for the 2000th subscriber. See you in a sec, peeps. Where are we going? Where is it? Just here. Oh, let's check it. Hey, look at this little puppy. Right. Come on then. Let's go bang on his door. Right, let's go this way. You bang on the door? Do you want me to bang on the door? You can't reach.
Hello, mate.
Hello, mate. How you doing?
How you doing?
COVID and all that. This is Andy, and this is his bus. And doesn't it look sweet?
not like T-dubs.
Oh, we'll give it a rest. Right, let's have a little film round.
Mine on the outside.
No, it's not. Can't say that. Yours is better than mine on the inside, though. Mine's. I'll show you mine in a minute. It's a bit. Uh-oh. Oh, here you go. Look at this. Wow. Look at that. That is lovely. That's tidy, and you've done all that yourself, haven't you?
Everything. The only thing I didn't do was the seats. I made the units in the garden with a router.
I saw that actually. I saw the template. The template's amazing.
Right.
That's crazy. Oh, dang. Bit of mood lighting, eh? Oh, that's lush. Very tidy. Loving that. That's it, folks. Thank you very much for watching. But thanks for watching, people. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button and all that jazz, and we'll see you all soon. Wait, bye-bye.
See ya.
What a cool guy. What a really nice guy to meet. So he's also on Instagram. So if you want to give him a follow, it's A_W_W. Go check him out. His van, he's done all the work himself in it, and it is lovely. So give him a follow on Instagram, and I'll see you guys soon.